What's up, everybody? My client here owns Winnipeg Auto Care. They come to you and wash your car. Everybody's doing it. All the door speakers and everything that this comes with from factory. BAVSOUND. I've never used it before. We'll see how the install goes. Speaker comes right out. Super old. New series here. Yeah, we got another rotten one. Nice new one. Old rotten one. The rears. A nice surprise. This panel just comes right out. Tweeter pod out. Let's see if it will pop out for me. Woo! Sweet. That's fucking awesome. New speaker.